Hello, my name is Ivan Taylor from Policy Dynamics in Ontario, Canada, and I'm a member of the International Council on Systems Engineering, INCOSE. I'm the membership director of INCOSE Canada, and I'm an active member in the Resilient Systems Working Group. Um, Today, I'd like to talk about the value proposition for systems engineering based on the INCOSE Value Strategic Initiative Report written on July 12, 2021 by the Value Strategic Initiative Group. Um, in the Resilient Systems Working Group, we've been working for a number of months on an elevator speech to describe what systems engineering is and how it can be valuable to an organization. So I thought that looking at the Value Strategic Initiative Report would be useful for the Resilient Systems Working Group to help them with their elevator speech. And I gave this presentation to the Resilient Systems Working Group on June 19th, 2024. So the Resilient Systems developed this elevator speech for systems engineering. Um, they say systems are made up of parts that are brought together to do something useful. Creating effective systems is not simple. Systems engineering is a method of creating effective systems. Then the Resilient Systems Working Group went on to describe what resilient systems were and why they were valuable and how they can be developed using systems engineering. Um, I'm going through the value strategic initiative. They identified three different consumers of systems engineering: commercial industry, government infrastructure, aerospace, and the defense industry, and nonprofit and the research sectors. I'll go through each of these individually. First, the value of systems engineering to commercial industry is that systems engineering enhances their ability to develop innovative products and services. These benefits apply to both mature and emerging markets, and systems engineering leads to more efficient and competitive product and service development. The value of systems engineering to the government, infrastructure, aerospace, and defense industry is that systems engineering offers a flexible, systematic approach to all project phases from mission analysis to completion. It supports various methods, including agile and traditional waterfall, and systems engineering promotes commonality and open architectures, which help reduce acquisition, maintenance, and upgrade costs. Furthermore, it can help in ensuring correct and complete requirements and their proper allocation, which leads to fewer and less significant design changes and improved overall cost and schedule performance. In terms of the value of systems engineering to nonprofits, the nonprofit enterprises benefit from practicing professional systems engineering by enhancing their ability to develop innovative client services, increasing efficiency and competitiveness. The value of systems engineering to the research industry is that enterprises engaged in basic and applied research benefit from practicing professional systems engineering by enhancing their capabilities for discovery and invention and supporting technology development more effectively. I now want to get into the value of INCOSE membership to an individual systems engineer. There's three types of systems engineers that can benefit from INCOSE membership. The first is entry-level members who who have access to career guidance, learning materials, networking opportunities, and involvement in activities. The second is mid-career members uh, who, who obtain a platform to exchange ideas, enhance professional networks, and gain certifications. Finally, there's senior level members who can participate in working groups, providing guidance and offering mentorship to the community. Now I'll talk about the value of individual INCOSE membership to systems engineering leadership. Systems engineering leadership will find that employees participating in INCOSE activities are better prepared as contributing team members. Employees working primarily in system engineering have access through INCOSE to resources for personal and professional development, opportunities to solve problems associated with their work in systems engineering. Also, an important aspect of INCOSE is the Systems Engineering Professional SEP certification process. The value of the SEP certification is that a certified workforce increases efficiencies through common understanding and approach. This leads to increased business and mission opportunities through community acceptance and recognition. Um, the value of INCOSE to the general public is that INCOSE develops and shares interdisciplinary principles and practices for successful systems. INCOSE aims to build a global community of systems engineers and promote system approaches to problem solving. INCOSE produces state-of-the-art work products to enhance the visibility of the systems engineering discipline. INCOSE is the premier provider of material and training, career development and mentorship, undergraduate and graduate scholarships, and sponsorship of STEM events and research and development in the field of systems engineering. You can find out more about INCOSE by looking at the website incose.org. You can find out about INCOSE Canada, which has monthly webinars for professional development, and that you can look for INCOSE Canada under the chapters section of incose.org. And there are many chapters around the world. And you can look at the Resilient Systems Working Group under the Working Group section in incose.org to find out more about what the Resilient Systems Working Group are. And there's about 50 or so other working groups you might want to look at and find out what they're doing. You can always reach me at ivantaylor@incose.net, and I'd love to connect with you on LinkedIn. So give me a connect request, and we can talk further about systems engineering and INCOSE. Thank you very much for your attention. I look forward to talking to you in the future.